Square root of x plus 10 equals 2. This is another radical equation, and remember, anytime we have unknown under the radical sign, we have to eliminate the radical. In order to eliminate radical, we're supposed to raise that radical to the number which is equal to the index. This is my index, it's invisible too. That's why I raised the whole expression to the second power. Whatever I did on the left side, I have to do also to the right side. Exponent is going to eliminate my radical. I have x plus 10 equals 4. I have to find value of x. Okay, in order to find value of x, I have to move this positive 10 to the other side of my equal sign. So I have x equals 4 minus 10. Remember, anytime you move the number to the other side of the equation, when other variables and numbers are staying at their original positions, we have to change the sign to opposite whatever we had at the beginning. So in this case, I have to change positive to negative. I have x equals 4 minus 10 is equal negative 6. Let's check if this is correct answer to my problem. I'm going to replace my x from the original equation by negative 6. I have square root negative 6 plus 10 has to be equal to square root negative 6 plus 10 is equal 4. Square root of 4 is equal 2. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why x minus 6 is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at another example. In this case, I have negative 7 added to my radical. I do not want to see any other numbers beside the radical on my left side. That's why, because I have addition over here, I'm going to move my minus 7 to the right side of my radical equation. So I have square root 2y minus 2. This is equal. Negative sign has to be changed to positive. That's why I have 7 minus 5. Because my unknown is under the radical sign, I have to eliminate radical. Remember, there is always invisible 2 if we talk about the square roots. In order to eliminate square root, I have to raise square root to the second power, always to the power which is equal to the index. Whatever I did on the left side, I have to do also on the right side. So this exponent is going to eliminate my radical. That's why I have 2y minus 2 equals 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 raised to the second power is equal 4. Again, I have subtraction. I'm looking for y. That's why I'm going to take this negative 2 and move to the other side. Remember, the sign is going to change. So I have 2y equals 4 plus 2. 2y equals 4 plus 2 is equal 6. I'm looking for y. Y is multiplied to 2. I do not want to see any multiplication and 2 next to y. That's why I have to use division in order to eliminate these 2. I'm going to divide both sides equation by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I have y equals 6 divided by 2 is equal 3. Let's verify that this is correct answer to my problem. What I'm going to do? I'm going to replace y in my original equation by 3. Let me write this over here. So I have minus 7 plus square root of 2 times 3 minus 2 has to be equal minus 5. I have minus 7 plus square root. I have to keep the order of operation. I have to do multiplication first. So I have 2 times 3 is equal 6. Minus 2 has to be equal negative 5. Minus 7 plus square root 6 minus 2 is equal 4, has to be equal to minus 5. Minus 7 plus square root of 4 is equal to equals minus 5. Minus 7 plus 2 is equal minus 5. Left side is equal to the right side. So this is the solution to my problem. Y equals 3.